So today, specifically today, what we're going to look at, we're going to look at stride length and stride frequency. We're going to look at the visual versus effective, the technique versus kinematics. We're going to look at acceleration kinematics. We're going to look at why acceleration is king, both in field sport and track sports. We're going to look at the difference between positions and angles, the tools required for acceleration, an introduction to elasticity, and then we're going to look at field-based testing. So what we're going to do is really home in on that difference between, track versus field positioning. So blocks versus standing, what the field positions do right or wrong, what do the best athletes do that are similar to track athletes, and generally field athletes don't look like track athletes. And I'm going to hopefully show you why. So just to get your brains kind of ticking into kind of the thought process and how we're going to approach today, if we just have a look at this picture on the right-hand side, if I can draw your attention to the first three athletes, we can see that they're all pretty much the same, right? The left leg is in front. We've got an extended right leg, trunk position almost identical. Lane 6, the center of mass is a lot higher. Lane 7, center of mass is a lot lower than everyone else, but it's probably over-rotating. So it might appear that the first three have the best technique in this picture, and they all appear to be doing things the same. However, the outcome is very different, as only one of them actually gets a medal. The athlete in lane 6 is also very fast, but her technique doesn't look as good. So from a pure technical sprinter component, you would say that lane 6 got a bad start and visually doesn't have any chance compared to the three on the inside. But the rest of her kinematics, anthropometry, force output, etc., might well be why she runs well. So what we need to understand, and what we're going to go through this presentation is, the difference between looking good and optimized individual efficiency.